I really stand by this school, you know, National Aviation Academy. I said this once, but it really changed my life.
Everything I've seen from the school, from the staff, from you guys has been top notch. I mean, I'm telling you. And like I said, we've hired quite a number of graduates from your school. Nothing but good things to say about those guys.
But anyone I hire from here, I have hired from here and has been hired from here, has gone on to be a supervisor or manager within a year or two of working for us. So I know every time I come here, I'm getting quality.
You see all of these companies coming and going, and maybe that ship sailed for me, but it isn't something I'd be interested in anyway. I'm home.